Wow, what a wild day yesterday. The price just all over the place, some crazy things. We already made a video talking about that, but I want to cover what happened today and where we're at right now, what my sentiment is on the situation. Am I bullish? Am I bearish? We're going to share all that and more. Before we do, though, I want to say a special shout out thank you to our Patreon supporters and a double shout out thank you to RemAG for being a higher tier supporter. There's a link in the description if you guys would like to join that for as little as $1 a month. And also, please keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinions, my own research. I encourage you to do your own research. With that being said, let's get into this. We got SafeMoon's price right now at $13.96 over on PancakeSwap, basically 14. Over here on the far right-hand side, it does show 14.05. We can see recent transactions, though. Most of these transactions are in the green, so that's suggesting that overall the market sentiment is more buy orders than sell orders, and we have a new candle formation. We're about 2 hours in as of the time of making this video. Yesterday, you can see a nice little bounce off recovery. We did have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of red candles in a row, and on that 6th day, it was very substantial. We had that 20 trillion whale that ended up selling off the rest of theirs, and then we also had the Bitmart hack in which the hacker, guess what? They offloaded the crypto, the SafeMoon, which was included on that list, and sold it all. So that dramatically impacted the market, and a lot of people bought the dip. Did you buy the dip? Let us know in the comments down below. I bought the dip. I bought the dip on both of them. I hope it doesn't dip anymore because I'm basically all dipped out. I don't really have much money left to be able to do this, guys, and I don't know if I should have done it with the other one. But I did it. It's already done. It's in the past. Looking at the volume in comparison to yesterday, substantially less. We're down 72.42% in the last 24 hours, but that's understandable. The circumstances yesterday were extremely unusual. However, even with that massive drop based on a 24-hour volume, the 16.34 million is still very good. We were seeing a lot of these $7 million daily trades here with this very, very low volume. So it's nice to see it having kicked up. Reflections are nice. A lot of people are not using Bitmart right now. They're actually using PancakeSwap or SafeMoon Swap. So guess what? We're seeing more reflections in real time across the board for basically everybody since there's more people natively using that. As far as for the whale reports go, I'm going to go ahead and run through these pretty quickly for you, and then we'll finish up with just a couple of details about the chart. We have at we have 2:29 a.m. today, that's Pacific Standard Time, 98.61 billion sold. That whale sold everything in their wallet. We have 83.26 billion sold everything in their wallet. Then we have a manual liquidity transfer. They moved over 208.79 billion SafeMoon. That helps rise the price up a little bit when it's manual. We have a whale that has 2.24 trillion SafeMoon now after having just sold off today 184.66 billion SafeMoon. That was about $250,000 worth. We also have an amount purchased, 48.58 billion. That whale has entered in as a brand new wallet holder. And then we also have an amount bought, 67.13 billion, adding to a position for a current trillion SafeMoon wallet. They now have 1.31 trillion. We have another manual liquidity transfer of 64.01 billion SafeMoon. We have 38.22 billion bought, added to an account, making its total 471.27 billion. Then we have amount moved, 194.96 billion. That moved off, leaves them with only 24.41 million left in their account. Very little. We have also amount moved, 75.46 billion SafeMoon. That whale has 10.39 million as well, very similar to the previous one there. We have an automated liquidity transfer that causes the price to drop down a little bit. That amount moved was 250 billion. That's consistent with what we have seen in the past from the automated moves. Then we have a manual liquidity transfer right afterwards, again helping boost the price up a little bit, 40.37 billion. Then we have an amount sold, 36.37 billion SafeMoon. That whale sold everything that was in their wallet. And then we have another whale that has sold at 65.49 billion SafeMoon. They sold everything that was inside of their wallet as well. Now, looking at the actual price movement, this descending channel, which is what we've been kind of stuck in now, It just justified that dimensional space all the more with this substantial drop in the candle closure with the candle open as well. So as we are right now, it looks like we're looking to try and retest 1700. I would expect a little bit of resistance there. If we do pull back, look for some support at 1208, and substantial drop would be down around 67.6. I highly doubt that it's going to have another substantial drop like that, but you never know. Something weird comes out, anything is technically possible. This was very unusual as it was already, so I think we're much more likely. I'm personally more bullish on this. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm much more bullish on this. If we can manage to break above that 1700 level, look to see another test up at 2166 and then a substantial increase up at 27. A break above 27 would move us out of this channel zone and really give us an opportunity here for a substantial run. As it is right now, I would not suspect SafeMoon version 2 to be released until there's more clarity on what's going to be happening with Bitmart, with the SafeMoon that was already taken off, the people that are affected over there, because there's a lot of wallet holders that are involved in SafeMoon that were a part of that. And also if maybe they're going to capture this hacker. And there's new clues that suggest that it might be close. It might be very close. Don't know if that was actually legitimate or not, but we'll have to wait to see more on that. So yeah, as it is right now, guys, I am leaning more bullish. We might have a little bit of a sideways day here. I do see that we have a slightly red candle at the moment. Bitcoin is back at $49,000. Still trying to push that way up above 50K. But it is Sunday evening rolling into a Monday. Technically, it's on a Monday candle now. And I'm feeling pretty good. I think a lot of people have been buying the dip. Would not be surprised if a rally starts to run up on Monday. But let's wait and see. Let us know what you guys think about all this in the comments down below. And I do have referral links, so if you want to get free cryptocurrency or free stock, it is free money for you guys. Links in the description for Coinbase, Gemini, BlockFi, Webull. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Hit the thumbs up like button. It does help us out with the YouTube search algorithm. Click the bell icon so you know when we go live, and I will see you in the next episode.